Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one quality video per day informing you what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on our videos so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Maithari. Polygon announces ZeroKnowledge identity platform for Web3. On 29th March, Polygon, the Layer 2, L2 scaling solution that runs parallel with the Ethereum blockchain, has announced a new identity platform called Polygon ID. While the protocol is still under development, Polygon ID is powered by ZeroKnowledge, ZK, cryptography, and Polygon expects a public version of the ID wallet app and software development kit (SDK) to release by Q2 2022. Polygon reveals ID protocol powered by ZK technology. Polygon has introduced a new identity platform called Polygon ID that aims to bolster ZeroKnowledge identity for Web3 applications. In the vast world of cryptography, a ZeroKnowledge (ZK) proof allows a user to leverage a cryptographic verifier that enables the user, the prover, to prove something is true without revealing unnecessary information. During the announcement concerning Polygon ID this week, Polygon said the team has made ZK Tech a centerpiece of its strategic vision and has committed $1 billion to related projects. According to Polygon, the protocol Polygon ID utilizes the IDEN3 protocol and ZK toolkit. The team says that in the future, both of the projects will be sponsored by Polygon in order to bolster open source initiatives across the entire ecosystem. Mihailo Jelic, Polygon's co-founder, explained during the announcement that Polygon ID is a great way to highlight the benefits of ZK Tech. Polygon ID is private by default, offers on-chain verification and permissionless attestation, Jelic said in a statement on Tuesday. There is nothing in the digital identity space now that ticks all these boxes. It is also a great showcase for how ZeroKnowledge proofs can help us create a better world. The Polygon team has been progressing a great deal in recent times, and during the first week of February, Polygon raised $450 million from Sequoia Capital India, SoftBank, and Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary. Prior to the fundraising with more than 40 VC firms, Polygon announced the acquisition of the Hermes network, now Polygon Hermes, for $250 million in August 2021. In mid-December 2021, Polygon acquired the Mir protocol for $400 million in order to bolster groundbreaking ZK roll-up technology. Polygon's native token Matic is currently the 18th largest crypto asset in terms of market capitalization with $11.3 billion at the time of writing. Year to date, Matic has gained 361% against the US dollar, and during the last 2 weeks, Matic has risen 14.3%. The Polygon ID announcement details that there are 4 properties the protocol offers. Polygon ID has the following properties. A. Blockchain-based ID for decentralized and self-sovereign models, ZeroKnowledge native protocols for ultimate user privacy, scalable and private on-chain verification to boost decentralized apps and decentralized finance, and being open to existing standards and ecosystem development, the blog announcement explains. What do you think about Polygon introducing a new identity platform called Polygon ID? Let us know what you think about this subject in the comments section below. NFT Marketplace Opensea to add credit card, Apple Pay support via Moonpay. According to the firm Moonpay, the non-fungible token, NFT, Marketplace Opensea plans to accept credit card payments using the company's payment infrastructure. The move follows Opensea gathering $23.5 billion in all-time sales volume and the company's recent Solana support announcement. Moonpay reveals OpenSea users will soon be able to pay for NFTs with a credit card. OpenSea visitors can soon pay with credit cards if they don't own any crypto assets, according to a tweet from the company Moonpay. Sail the OpenSea with your card, Moonpay detailed on Friday. Soon, you will be able to buy NFTs with Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more, the firm added. Currently, OpenSea users are required to leverage crypto assets like Ethereum, ETH, to purchase NFTs on the marketplace platform. The Moonpay integration will change that going forward, and OpenSea visitors will have the ability to choose from an assortment of payment options. In recent times, Moonpay has been helping celebrities buy expensive NFT assets like Bored Ape Yacht Club collectibles. The company helped the American rapper Wiz Khalifa acquire Bored Ape number 1506, and the firm helped the Queen of Pop Madonna purchase Bored Ape number 4988 for $564,000 in Ether. At the end of November, Moonpay raised $555 million during the firm's first finance round led by Tiger Global and Kochu. After the capital injection from investors, Moonpay's overall valuation hit $3.4 billion. The company said at the time that the capital would be leveraged for expansion endeavors. Just recently, the leading NFT marketplace Opensea announced that it would be supporting the blockchain network Solana, Sol. The news follows a myriad of rumors, speculation, and leaked images that had shown OpenSea would soon add Sol and Phantom wallet support. OpenSea is the top NFT project and marketplace in terms of all-time sales, accruing $23.5 billion in volume since the market's inception. OpenSea's sales volume is followed by the NFT marketplace Lucrare, $18.16 billion, but Luxrare's recorded sales volume has been contested for alleged wash trading. NFT wash trading has been an issue according to a recent research report published by Chainalysis. OpenSea has seen 1,417,562 traders since the market's inception, and the platform supports 3 blockchain networks which include Polygon, Clayton, and Ethereum. The recently announced Sol addition will be OpenSea's 4th blockchain in terms of blockchain protocol support. On Friday, Moonpay did not disclose when the credit card support would be added. Moonpay's announcement follows the partnership between Coinbase and MasterCard, as the two companies want to make NFTs accessible to everyone. According to the announcement, shoppers leveraging the upcoming Coinbase NFT Marketplace will be able to use MasterCard supporting credit and debit cards. What do you think about OpenSea accepting credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay via Moonpay's payment infrastructure? Let us know what you think about this subject in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!